Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabihag. Wala nang hinanais, ligaya kang labis. Oh.
A pleasant morning to everyone. For today's discussion, we will tackle about how can we protect our planet, specifically the Earth. Some sort of view about the Earth. Earth is composed of living and non-living things where they interact with each other. Then, the surface of the Earth are made up of land and water, in which 3/4 of each surface are made up of water and the remaining is land. After knowing a little background of our Earth, now we need to know our goal in order to protect our planet. So first goal is to help progress our planet without damaging the environment. And the second is help sustain the resources of the environment for the future generation. Now we have our goals. And after that, we need to know and find some solutions in order to help preserve our environment or our planet. So, but before we go there, we need to know first the factors that can affect the environment. So the first factor is the natural disaster, and the second one is the man-made disaster. So natural disaster. Natural disaster refers to those natural activity that happens to our environment, like typhoon, floods, earthquakes, and many more. And these natural occurring events can harm the environment to low into severe damage. And on the other hand, man-made disaster refers to those human activity that can cause damage to our environment, like throwing of garbage anywhere, cutting of trees, factories waste and gases, and a lot more. Apparently, we knew to ourselves that we cannot control disasters that are naturally occurring to our planet. Alternatively, we have to focus on the things that we can control as human beings, like reducing or minimizing the activities that can bring severe damage to our environment. Therefore, we need to find ways or solutions to help protect our one and only planet Earth. Then according to oceanservice.noaa.gov, there are 10 ways to help sustain and protect our planet. The followings are educate, 3 R's, conserve water, shop wisely, choose sustainable, use long-lasting light bulbs, don't send chemicals to waterways, plant trees, volunteer, and bike more. Educate. We need to educate people, especially our children, to be aware of what is happening to our environment. Also, in this manner, we can open their minds that no one except for us humans can make changes in our planet. Next is 3 R's. 3 R's refers to reuse, reduce, and recycle. In every ways that we consume, we people must know how to properly dispose our garbage to limit the causes of pollution in the environment. Another is conserve water. It is rightful for us to conserve and properly use of water as our consumption, because I believe in the saying that water is life. So if this water consumption is gone in our planet, definitely the lives of every living will also gone. Shop wisely. As we go shopping, we must find things or items that can be reusable or recycled to help the planet and as well as ourselves. And it goes the same as to choose sustainable, because we must buy things that can last long to avoid more waste in the environment. Another is use long-lasting light bulbs. We have to use CFL or the compact fluorescent light bulbs because this lamp designed for sustainable use and can save up to 80% of electric consumption than in incandescent light bulbs. Now we go to don't send chemicals into our waterways. Just like I said earlier, I believe that water is life. So if you send chemicals into our waterways, it's just like killing yourself. Plant trees. Planting trees is very important to lessen the carbon dioxide in our planet. And not just in absorbing carbon dioxide our trees can do. It can also absorb lots of water whenever there is a flood. Volunteer. After knowing the sustainable ways in protecting the environment, it is time to make it into action so that the sustainable ways can be the sustainable action in protecting the planet. And lastly, bike more. When we do biking, we individuals can help the planet breathe for a while from the toxic gases that the cars and motorcycles emit to the environment. As I end this discussion, I want you all to remember that we should do this sustainable ways in protecting the planet and act right now before it's too late. Thank you.